Welcome to Engineered with Code. Today, we're going to answer the question, what is software engineering? Many people think software engineering is just about writing code. But it's much more than that. Software engineering involves designing, building, and maintaining software systems. Think of software engineering like building a house. Writing code is like laying bricks, but software engineering includes everything that happens before and after. We start with a blueprint, our design, then we plan how to put it all together, ensuring our software is solid and can be maintained over time. So, how do we ensure software is built efficiently and effectively? We follow the Software Development Life Cycle, SDLC, which consists of key phases that guide the process from start to finish. Let's walk through them. Planning. In this phase, we gather requirements, set objectives, and create a roadmap for the project. Without a plan, it's like trying to build a house without knowing what kind of house you're building. Analysis. Once we have a plan, we analyze the requirements in detail. We define what the system needs to do and how it will meet user expectations. This ensures we have a clear understanding of the problem we're solving. Design. Next comes the design phase. Here, we create the blueprint for the software. This includes everything from system architecture to the user interface. The design is crucial because it sets the stage for how the system will function. Implementation. This is the coding phase, where we take our design and turn it into a working system. It's the most visible part of the process, but as you can see, it's just one part of the bigger picture. Testing and integration. After the code is written, we move to testing and integration. This step ensures the software works as expected and integrates with other systems. We catch bugs, fix issues, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Maintenance. Once the software is deployed, we enter the maintenance phase. This involves ongoing updates, bug fixes, and improvements to keep the software functional over time. As you can see, software engineering is a structured process that goes far beyond just coding. Each phase of the SDLC plays a critical role in ensuring the software is high quality, scalable, and maintainable. To sum it all up, software engineering is about much more than just writing code. It's about creating solid, scalable solutions that can be maintained over time by following a systematic approach like the SDLC. In our next video, we'll dive into Java programming, where we'll learn how to apply these concepts in practice. So stay tuned.